Hello, hi, this is Som here. I welcome everyone to the YouTube channel. Today's product showcase is going to be amazing. If you are a website developer, digital marketer, affiliate marketer, or a content writer, or you have an online business, if you're running out the leads or you don't have any leads for your business, and if you're looking for the easiest way to generate a leads with AI based filters, and you get a contact details, name, email address, website, and they are all a newly registered website or business online, and they need uh, all the services which online entrepreneurs do, like website designing, digital entrepreneur marketing services, any services, affiliate marketing, or anyone who are looking for a services which is online. You can target the niche also with the help of a keywords. So I would be showcasing one of the powerful leads which helps you to get the most newly registered domains and business online. So stick around. So, welcome back. This is your host, Som. My name is Som Shekhar Mutt. I help entrepreneurs, digital marketers, and all other business owners to build a business online and skyrocket a business to the next level. So, this video is on the product showcase on the best tool, what I use it to scale my business, as well as I help many other entrepreneurs to build a business. So let me showcase that tool. What is that tool? How it did this can help you. The major hitch for every vendor, affiliate marketer, online business owners face, the biggest problem is getting the fresh leads, which if you want to connect to the decision makers, or you're not reaching to the decision makers because they are, might be it's old or they are not fresh leads. What if I tell you you will get the newly registered business online and you get to reach to them? So what you'd be getting is powerful filters, verified phone numbers, and user friendly CRM. So also it says it is for content creators, software developer, WordPress websites, graphic designer, SEO, marketing services, and digital. All the leads are inside it. So once I go to the dashboard, let's see what is inside the dashboard. Once you go to the dashboard, you will see there is a new registration, domain and expiration. The button, you will see the calendar out here where you can select the date and select the end date, and you can search who are registered from this date to this date, the newly registered domains. So I will go ahead and select, as for an example, I say as one of the keywords, I will take it just like money. Okay, so make money online niche if you want to target, and you say as a filters, if you can keep the filters like .com, .in, this is, we call it as a TDL filters, and you can select the country. So I will select as an India, and I will have chosen from first date to today, that is 15th March, and see how many leads it can generate. It has already registered, it has already generated 10 leads, and you can just go ahead and unlock it, and you can see the magic out here. It gives you the email address, you will get the name, you will get the website name, number, creation date and expiration date, and registration company also. And you can see that it's already registered website. You can just go here, click it, and you can see that they already have a website or not. For a website development agency, what is required is they are having a website. See, you can see that they don't have a website and they're looking for someone into a WordPress development. So it's a quick way to get in touch with them, like this person with the email address, and you can see that there is email address and the phone number, and you can get in touch with them. If there is a keywords called as a money, the affiliate marketers can target them. They are looking for making money online. So let me check out the second one. So it says fastmoneystocks.com. So from the name you will get to know that it's completely into a stock markets or something who are looking for a stock market. Again, you don't have a website, you can target them. You can also provide them a digital marketing services. You have the phone number, you can have the name here, email address, that too with the Gmail email address where you can get in touch with her, and the phone number, this is the email address, and the registration company name is Preeti Kumari. So the third I will go ahead and showcase that. Again, it's called as a Metals Money. So once you go to the website, you'll get to know how the website is there or not. Once you are targeting the newly registered domain, it becomes more easy for you. It says new WordPress site is coming soon. So they are required with website, they are required with the digital marketing services. You have a phone number, you can reach them within just 30 seconds. It has unlocked so many leads. So also you get refined filters. You can also filter them with the domain count. So if you want to select, this is the domain count. If you want to select the greater than, if they have a 2 domains, you can also filter that. And you can also unlock, you have other features. Also you can filter with the phone number and landline number too. So once we go to the unlock leads, you don't have to download it every time. Okay, you can go to unlock leads, you will get all the leads which you have unlocked. If you want to download that, you can click on this download CSV file, it will download the file for you. So you have unlocked the deal, so many leads before. Also I have unlocked so many leads before. So if you want to filter it, what leads you have filtered today, you can go ahead and select this as a date today and click on filter. It will give you the filters leads for today. So you can see that so many leads which has been filtered today. That's it. Okay, so you don't have to you don't have to go ahead and Excel sheet. You are targeting to the niche, you'll find a lot of the difficulties. Just unlock it, go ahead and call them, go ahead and reach to them on emails, or go to the social media networking, search on Google and get in touch with them and give your offer, hook them inside, and that is how you are generating a leads. It's an actual phone number, you can see the name, you can see the number. It's so easy to get the leads, and that is so powerful. You can generate 500 leads per day, 15,000 leads per month. This is the gold plan. Let me go ahead and show you what all the plans the domain leads have. So this will help you to get the business to the next level, because you can select any date and you can filter any date. You can see that how many reviews they have. If you want to leads in the e-commerce space, this is the best tool for that. Hector is the best. He's an entrepreneur, founder of Mills Skills, and you can see that there are a lot of people who are there. Awesome software to get leads and has some cool filters option to love the domain leads. And you can see that a real estate agent domain lead is the one of the best ways to reach out to the prospect B2B space, simple to use and implement. So it's so simple, right? So you can see that how many of them are reviewed here. It's great tool, and its basic plan is 47 and advanced plan is $97 per month and $197 per month. So but today I have a great bonus for you who are watching this video. I have a great bonus for you. Okay, so I would be giving you a lifetime pack for $97 for the basic. You want to go with the basic plan, go with the basic plan. It's $47 per month, but I would be offering this $97 for lifetime. You don't have to pay a single penny in the future for 12 complete months. You go ahead and get this for 50 leads per day, that is 1,500 leads per month. And you can also upgrade it to the next level if you want it. If you are into my inner circle, if you're already purchased, if you're an existing customer, again you will get the best bonuses to your email address. We will drop your email if there is some offers going on for the advanced plan. For the basic plan right now, I have an offer that is $97 for 12 months. So this is the best plan ever, because you would be saving a lot of money out here. It's $47 per month and you're getting $97 per lifetime, that is 12 months. So go ahead and get this, and see you. I have given you the link below. You can go ahead and click on that link and register it. Only 10 spots are available, and you would be the best one to, you would be making the best decisions of your life. If you're a website developer, freelancer, if you're struggling to get leads, this is an absolute game changer for you. Thank you very much for coming here, and click on that link below. The offers is limited, just 10 spots are available. Thank you very much. This is your host Som signing off. See you in the next video.